Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we got right to work on the S1000RR. We took apart the rear section, and as you can see, that rear section is way twisted over. Now we're gonna be working on this gas tank section of the bike. Now there is a crack on the airbox, so I'm sketched out to see what type of damage is around there. So now I'm gonna start removing the gas tank area. Alright, next day here at the shop, guys. We took off the air junction box yesterday, covered up all the throttle bodies and the injectors. Then I went ahead and started fixing the wiring harness over here because there were a ton of cut wires and wires showing a lot of copper. So I'm about halfway through the harness, and then after that, I'm gonna start taking off these plastic pieces as well because there is broken tabs. So we'll jump on that once we finish with the wiring harness. Next day here at the shop, guys, as you can see, we got a ton of packages for the BMW. As you saw in that previous footage, I took off this airbox, which has damage all throughout. But without further ado, let's start opening up some of these packages. Wrong box. So we got some of the most important parts from those boxes. Now it's time to take apart that front end and start replacing some good stuff. So my rear stand for this BMW S1000RR is still in the mail. So I had to jimmy rig something crazy in the rear end to hold the rear end down because the front is a lot heavier than the rear end. Now that the front is suspended in the air, I can start taking apart all the goodies and throwing these goodies on. But it's already getting late, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow to throw on the new parts. All right, check this out. We got the new forks on along with the lower triple tree, but I am missing a few key tools. I need a 24mm Allen for the axle on the front wheel of this bike, as well as a special tool to remove this broken bolt right here in the main frame. I already have a few other key components showing up in the mail, so I can't wait to break those open to you, but that's gonna be in the next one. See ya.